Stop babysitting your machine and spend more time helping customers, thanks to the Colorado's highly innovative automation features. The ergonomic heavy-duty media input drawer has dual roll configuration that can spool up, cut, and retract the rolls on demand. Load 2 different media and instantly switch between them. To load a new roll, simply drop it in, twist the roll, and the system picks it up automatically for rolls both print side in or out. Take automation to the next level for unprecedented non-stop productivity. Connect your Colorado to your preferred high-volume media feeding solution with the Jumbo Roll Open Interface. Boost productivity for large volumes of specific applications. The Colorado can even be configured to a true UV gel wallpaper factory with a jumbo roll, cutter, and rewinder, utilizing automation to the max. Stay on top of your printing operations with the Remote Control app. With convenient, real-time printer status updates and alerts on your smartphone or smartwatch, you know the precise status of your Colorado and when the next roll change or ink refill is required. The continuous nozzle monitoring system identifies blocked nozzles before they occur. Patented electroacoustic detection automatically directs other nozzles to compensate, removing the need to reprint. The Colorado series is built for reliable media handling and also features automatic media step control that you can activate to prevent even the slightest chance of banding. An optical device reads the practically invisible marks in the margin of the print and sends continuous media step feedback to the media handler. Adjust media feed on the fly as each media step is measured. With the Colorado constantly monitoring media feed and printhead condition, you can trust your printer to always produce great prints. And if anything should go wrong, it is painlessly corrected without losing valuable time and prints. Daily maintenance is key to the health of your machine. That's why the Colorado takes this off your hands completely with our automatic maintenance procedures. Your operator only needs to carry out manual maintenance tasks once a month, taking just 6 minutes.